2010 Dodge Grand Caravan at Hollidaysburg Auto Plaza in Hollidaysburg, Pennsylvania. This Dodge is well equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 engine, power sliding doors, only one previous owner, 0 accidents, a power driver seat, stow and go second row seats, third row seats, power adjustable pedals, a DVD player, a sport-tuned suspension, 2-drop video screens, tri-zone climate with rear controls, under 98,000 miles. It's under $10,000. Visit hollidaysburgautoplaza.com or call 814-257-5338.